Today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export from Access to Excel and then format it as a pivot table using VBA code. Right here you can see this little data set I created for the purpose of this tutorial, and here will be the export destination, which is just some random spot I made on my desktop. If you go into here, you can see the code that I used to export it. This part right here, all the way down to here, is the actual exporting process, just to export it down out into Excel. And over here is when you actually do the formatting as a pivot table. To customize this to your computer, you're going to have to change the file path, obviously, to your own file path, and you have to name it after your own table. This appears 2 other times in the code. Right here is just a default table name for your Excel sheet. You can change it to whatever you named it, but it's normally my table to start off with. To run this code, you just have to go below here and click Go. And now there should be this file created right here, and it should be formatted as a pivot table. As you can see, there you go.